Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Sphere. In today's video, we will be reviewing the LEGO BWT Alpine F1T Team A524 set. And this set has 258 pieces and is rated for 10 plus. It's also a part of the Speed Champions line of sets, and it came out last year. If we look at the exterior of this build, you will see that there is a lot of stickers that come with this, which makes it a little harder to build for some people. And then it comes with a few pieces that have different stuff printed on instead of the stickers. And if we look at this card, it says BWT all around it. And then it also says Ultimate on both sides. And then there's a little minifigure inside. And the little way to get the minifigure in and out. An advanced looking steering wheel. And then it says Alpine on the front here. This is a very cool part of the F1 series. I will be reviewing all of these this year, building and reviewing them. So make sure you come back for more awesome Legos. Remember to smash that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in another awesome video with the Justin Sphere. See ya.